If your contacts are blurry and your day suddenly feels harder to focus through, this is for you. You know that moment when you blink, adjust your lens, blink again, and the world still looks a little cloudy? That can feel frustrating, especially when you thought you put your contacts in correctly. But here's the reassuring part. Blurry contacts often have a simple reason behind them. If you want the full breakdown, I've linked the complete guide below. One of the biggest causes is buildup on the lens surface. Contacts can collect tiny deposits during the day. Protein, oils, dust, makeup, and debris can all sit on the lens and make your vision feel hazy. A lot of people don't realize this, but a lens can look clean and still have enough buildup to blur your sight. That is why daily cleaning matters. So does using the right contact lens solution and replacing your lenses on schedule. Another common reason is dryness. You know that late day feeling when your contacts start to feel sticky, gritty, or just not quite right? Dry eyes can make contacts blur, especially after screen time, air conditioning, wind, smoke, or dry indoor air. If this sounds familiar, tap like. Simple habits may help. Blink more often during screen use. Take short breaks, drink water throughout the day. And when needed, use rewetting drops made for contact lenses. But here's what surprises many people. Sometimes the contact lens is not really the problem. Your prescription may have changed, or the lens may not fit your eye as well as it should. If a lens shifts around too much, feels uncomfortable, or never gives you crisp vision, it may be time for an eye exam. Stick with me. This next part matters. If your contacts stay blurry, even after cleaning them, replacing them, or trying a fresh pair, do not keep guessing. Your eye care professional can check your prescription, lens fit, dryness, and overall eye comfort. One common question is, why contacts get blurry as the day goes on? Often, it comes down to dryness, buildup, screen time, or dry air. Another question is whether old contacts can cause blurry vision. Yes, they can. Older lenses may collect deposits, lose comfort, and stop giving you the clear vision you expect. Blurry contacts can be annoying, but they are often a clue, not a mystery. For the simple checklist that makes this easier to manage, visit the full guide at eyefatigue.com.